So cool. You get so close. Hey, I just want to give you an overview of my trip. On the way down, I stopped at Burgess Falls State Park. I went on to Fall Creek Falls State Park. I stayed the night there. The next day was my big hiking day, and we did all the Fall Creek Falls, everywhere around there. Then on the way out, the third day, I went to Rock Island State Park and Cummins Falls State Park. So here we go. The massive falls. You're so close to the edge. There's no railing. It is unbelievable. You can just stand here right next to these falls. I'm literally 1 foot from the fall. This is so cool. Fall Creek Falls State Park here in Spencer, Tennessee. Monday night. There's nobody going to be here. It's going to be awesome, which I truly enjoy. Pretty much, I think the people across the way are packing up, getting ready to get the heck out of here. I got nobody around me, and we got a little RV in the distance. It's beautiful out here. Have some peace and quiet. Hey everyone, I'm here at Milliken's Overlook and Buzzard's Roost here in Fall Creek Falls State Park. It's just absolutely beautiful. Just taking some time this morning going around the scenic loop of the state park, and then I'm going to do some hiking. I'm going to hike this gorge. It is called Lower Loop Overlook Trail in the Piney Trail, whatever it is, all the way to Piney Falls. Guys, this is the suspension bridge going over the Piney Gorge. I'm going to walk it right now, and here we go. Cool. Here we are in Piney Creek. Yeah, nice. That is really cool going across that bridge. It's Cane Creek Falls and Cascades. A really cool gorge. Waterfall, big pool of water at the bottom. So cool. You get so close. Bridge up there, I think I'm going to be able to go up on. Fall Creek Falls base trail, getting to the base of the falls. This is like completely rocky all the way down the entire trail. It's only 0.4 miles, but it's a tough 0.4 miles. It's so awesome. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit the subscribe button, big thumbs up, hit the bell. See you next time.